UFC sports. It's in the game.
Between Dustin the Diamond Porье and Джастин Гетжи. All right, here's the lightweight contender, former University of Northern Colorado wrestler Джастин Гетжи. We've spent a lot of time with this young man. We both think he is one of, if not the most exciting fighter in the sport today. But he doesn't lean on those wrestling chops. He's worried about wrestling fatigue, and the results certainly speak to him having the right approach, though.
As you said, John, University of Northern Colorado wrestler, All-American.
Right.
He was an All-American, but to this point, he has not scored one takedown. He doesn't need to. He wants to go in there, and he wants to fight. He said he shows up to put on a highlight. His nickname's the highlight, and he has earned that, and is justified every time he steps foot in the octagon. Just a fantastic mixed martial artist with a full toolbox of skill at his disposal.
And when he has faced adversity, he has come back stronger than ever. Ask his recent victims, James Vick and the aforementioned Edson Barboza. All right, so here he is, one of the best lightweights in the world, Dustin Porье, putting that status on the line yet again here tonight. Great frame for this lightweight division. It's amazing to think he had as much success at featherweight as he did. Long arms, good footwork, nice submissions as well. This is truly a 5-tool player.
Yes, he's one of the best fighters in the lightweight division, and it shows every time he steps foot in the octagon. And a victims list that includes Eddie Alvarez, Justin Getjy, Max Holloway. You know when you're looking at Dustin Porье that he is one of the best fighters in the UFC lightweight division and has the frame to compete up, and he's shown that before he was a featherweight, so a guy that may compete over 3 weight classes over his UFC's career.
And we remind you, when he faced Max Holloway at UFC 236 for the interim lightweight title, Holloway came in with a 13.
Ready? Ready?
All right, so here we go with round one. Classic matchup of striker versus striker. These guys have both faced a lot of grapplers in the past. They like the draw tonight.
Oh yeah, they love seeing an opponent that will not be trying to dive at their legs. They know when they get to the center of the octagon, the only steps back they will take is if they choose to move out of range to re-enter back into the striking realm. It's a very comforting thought for both of these competitors. Big punch man over the top. How's he gonna follow this one?
Getjy gets absolutely melted by that head kick. Oh, single collar tie here. Poirier's got the tie clenched. Let's see what he can do with it. Oh, that right hand is on point.
Oh, my goodness. Look at him drive his shin.
Oh!
He needs to start looking to finish on him because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Getjy gets back up. Oh, and he connects with a punch there, DC. You like this guy.
I like this guy a punch, and to watch him punch like this puts a smile on my face.
27 total strikes have landed for Dustin the Diamond. Huge strike lands there. Somehow, his opponent stayed up there.
I mean, he's still on his feet, but he's not up by much.
Man, this is some serious ground and pound. He's trying to put this dude's head, like, through the canvas.
He's one of the better ground and pound fighters we have in the entire UFC, and you're seeing why.
So 3 minutes have flown off the fight clock. Gets on the feet. His opponent in a lot of trouble now.
That was Cain Velasquez's punch choice. Every time he acted that overhand right, he hurt people bad. And this guy has his opponent hurt very badly again.
All right, he engages in the single collar tie. And now he's got that tie finish.
His opponent's got him in the clinch. He needs to break away and get back to his range because he's taking punch after punch from his clinch position.
All right, so he lands another hook there. He's falling in love with that strike, but wow!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Big hook. Oh, he might be out. Oh! And just like that, the fight is over. just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight. All right, DC, no telestrator tonight, but we're going to get you some highlights from this one. This was a fight that had it all, and for my money, his best performance to date.
His best performance to date in the biggest moment. In the biggest moments, you got to show up, and that's exactly what he did tonight. He used every bit of his skill to get the job done.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Bergliata has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 17 seconds in the very first round, declaring the winner by